In our previous discussions, we have emphasized the significance of routing and incorporated navigation into our app using Angular routing. The development process thus far has been straightforward, involving the creation of components and writing some code involving classes and DOM elements. Angular, being a powerful framework, provides a valuable feature called Angular Directives. These directives allow us to enhance the behavior of elements within our application. Depending on your requirements, you can either use the built-in Angular directives to manage forms, lists, styles, and more, or you can dive deeper by creating your own custom directives. Per definition, Angular directives are classes that add additional behavior to elements in your Angular applications. Directives are divided into two main categories. We have the attribute directives and structural directives. The attribute directives are directives that change the appearance or behavior of an element, component, or another directive, and structural directives are directives that change the DOM layout by adding and removing DOM elements. In the upcoming parts, we will explore these directive types in greater detail and even create custom directives for each category.